Red Sea. Yan. Yan guys, yung hotel natin. Yan ang Red Sea. Yan guys, yung hotel natin. Yung hotel natin. Laki-laki ng kwarto. Oh, Sos Mario Josep. Oh, laki-laki. Yan, Mama Bing. Laki-laki. Yan. Resort. Swimming pool. In front of Dead Sea. Yan, Dead Sea. Yan, may uwak. Yan oh, uwak. Uwak oh. Hello uwak. Good morning uwak. Yan oh. Yan o, Dead Sea o. Red Sea.
Been working for over 400 years. It's a really, really long duration of just to specialize making two kind of projects, the essence and the healing oils. We've been doing this for that long because it used to be really traditional for ancient Egyptian to use these stuff for everything in their daily life. They used to use it as a body scent, room scent, healing oils. They used to cover the mummies with it to save it for the longest time. We found a lot of them in our buster jars living for thousands of years, and that was our job to keep it going. So we did almost everything the same, from growing our own flowers made in the factory, just to make sure we add nothing extra to the oil we take from the flowers. So they can last on your skin up to 16 hours, which is the longest skin stay, or it can stay with you forever, no expiration date. I'm gonna give you a list by the products so you know everything we got in here, and I'm gonna explain it for you. The nice thing about the place here as well is governmental place, which means that everything you're gonna try on your hands are 100% trust use on the skin, with kids, with animals. All of them are tested before, so they are super safe. As you can see in the list, it's a huge one. That's why we separate the products to 3 different groups depending on the use and the benefit of each of them.
Palitan
For
pa kamay
example,
lang.
we got the first
Para
group,
matay
which is
souvenir
essence
dito sa mga
from
bata.
flowers. 18 different flowers we can grow in Egypt. Some of these only grow in Egypt. Some of them got aromatherapy effect, which is meaning when you smell for the long time, it affected your hormones, it changing your mood. We got second group, blends, which is a mix between flowers to give you the same scent. It's like your favorite perfume and clothes, but without the alcohol part. This is our secret groups. These are the dupes of Chanel, Gucci, Giorgio Armani, YSL, Hermes, Baccarat Roche, a lot of different perfumes. I'm gonna tell you the original name of them. The nice thing about these perfumes are nowadays made out of 80 alcohol, 20 of distillate. We don't love the alcohol because it disappears fast and it dry our skin, and that's why here we give you a dupes with 100% pure essence, so 0 alcohol. It stay way longer on the skin, super nice for your skin, so it softens the skin. The third group, the spice scent.
You're studying?
School?
School.
اقول له اي شهاده وخلاص.
دبلوم تجارة.
What?
دبلوم تجارة.
Ano yan? Do you school? Can you
ما تشوف يا عم انت
school?
معهد كليه اي
College. Are you
Gamma.
college? High school or elementary?
جامعة.
Gamma? What's Gamma? Huh? Gamma your school.
جامعة القاهرة.
So you're going to school. You finish your school. You finish. Are you single? You're not married? You don't have
the
girls?
single-
No girls? Guys. Hello guys. Welcome to the Red Sea. Guys, Red Sea. Yan guys. Well, hindi ito yung actual na location kung saan hinati ni Moses ang dagat. So sa dinaanan natin doon kanina, part ng Suez Canal, doon naganap yung paghati, no? Red Sea na to. Ayan, oh. Guys, dito na tayo sa Red Sea. Okay. Ano? Red Sea. Well, first things first, gawin natin ang wow, baka gumaling yung mga sakit-sakit. Yan. Yan. Red Sea. Pero hindi naman siya kulay red. Paano kaya naging Red Sea ito? Akin na. Kaya, kuha tayo ng tubig. Red Sea. Guys, kuha tayo ng tubig dagat. Tubig red.
Galing mo muna siya mo.
Dagat ng Red Sea. Kahit kaunti.
Dumi naman yan.
Malayo na yun. Kunti lang. Mupo. Ayan o. Kuha lang tayo ng konti. Kuha tayo ng konti.
Dagan mo pa.
Ah, bakit healing water ba to? Okay na to.
Dagan mo pa sa'yo. Dito na kayo. Baka mamay mapupos pa yun. Wala sa extra. Dalawa ba shoes mo?
Dua.
Yung isa na gamitin mo.
Ay, wala. Pumasok na. Wait lang. Tubig. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. Kumuha tayo ng sample ng tubig ng Red Sea. Okay. Red Sea. So, tignan nyo ha. Imagine nyo ha. Ito yung dagat na hinati ni Moses. Okay? Para lang sila makatawid kasi hinahabol sila ni Ramses II. Nung time ng Exodus. Guys, ito yung hinati. Di ba? Free my people, sabi ni Moses sa Exodus. Free my people. So, kung ayaw mo, bibigyan kita ng maraming mga pagsubok. Doon yung famine, ginawa niyang dugo yung ilog. Diba? Tapos yung firstborn, kinuha niya rin. So, in the long run, pumayag si Pharaoh, Ramses II. Ramses II yung talagang time ni Moses, yung katunggalin niya. So si Ramses II, yung katawan niya na preserve, nakita namin doon sa museum. Mummified na siya. So hindi ako nakapag-videos, bawal kasi ang videos, bawal ang photos. Nakita namin yung si Pharaoh, yung mahabol kay Moses 4,000 years ago. Pero yun, kakakilabot. Nakita ko yung yung Pharaoh na naging katunggali ni Moses. Butot balat siya guys, pero mummified, na preserve siya. Nakalagay siya sa coffin na maganda. Kaya lang bawal yung videos and photos nung pinuntahan namin sa museum. Kung ano yung gusto mong gawin, masaya ka sa buhay, okay? Ba? Ito yung hinati ni Moses. Sabi ni Moses sa Red Sea, behold His mighty hand, and see the power of Almighty God. Tapos biglang hinati niya yung tubig guys. Ayan, oh, diba? Dami kong alam talaga. Oh, diba?
Muffy Pulos.
Ay, dyan may chocolate na.
Walay pulos.
Mama siguro. Ah, magbebenta siguro Muffy Pulos.
Tapos ka rin siya.
Rabay.
Baby, that's like
Hindi nga rabay sa imam.
Ah, imam pala, sorry. Imam.
Chocolate. chocolate to supermarket.
Yeah, you buy. She will buy.
No, I don't
Gusto nila chocolate na.
You want chocolate? You eat chocolate? Okay, we buy. You want? I give you money.
Nandun yung chocolate natin sa bus eh. Sayang.
No English, ha? Wait.
Mauubusan ka niyan, ma'am. Google.
Translate tayo, ha? Internet ba? Yeah.
No English.
English, Muffy. Muffy. Yeah. Muffy Fulu.
Mapi Malom. Mapi Malom. What's Mapi Malom?
No English.
What, you know what's Mapi Malom?
No English.
No English.
La.
Okay.
Bibili tayo ng chocolate.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Ayun,
Hi.
gusto niya ng chocolate. Yung isa rin daw, bigyan mo raw.
Only one.
Gusto niya yung chocolate.
Hello, give me $1.
Okay.
Later. We will be back. Okay? If we will be back, I'll find you.
No English.
No English?
Pilis bigyan ng McDonald's.
Try to learn and study English.
No.
Chocolate.
Mm.
Chocolate, no?
Gusto niya chocolate.
Oo, naghati pa sila. They love chocolate. Hati-hatian nila.
Pero Father Sinai na siguro to area,
Apo,
no?
ito na po.
Okay.
Tinanong, hindi niya kwento ni ano eh. Tinanong ni Moses si
Later on.
No, only my
Later on.
This is no English.
No English.
Yeah.
No, I have only one English too. So, parehas lang.
I gave you madrasa.
Okay, I give you $1. Later, I'll be back, okay?
Ayan na. Ay, ang kapit na lang, no?
Hiningal din ako. Hindi lang pala.
Taxi, wala naman palang taxi.
Wala naman pala taxi.
Baka gusto ba ang... Ay, wala naman taxi na dinalakan ka ng masaya. Ito na pa.
Give me kusha.
What?
Kusha.
Kusha. What's kusha? Caramel, chocolate. Later on. We left our chocolate at the bus. Okay? You buy chocolate, ma'am.
Chocolate.
Okay.
Give me chocolate.
Okay. Chocolate.
Yeah.
Later on, okay?
No English.
No English. I have only English. Sa patas tayo. It's a tie. Oh. Lamang lang ako ng isang English sa'yo. Okay. What? No booth. No video, no photos. Okay. Okay. Sorry. See. I'm just filming myself, sir. Okay? This is a public place. Okay? Thank you.
Please. عشان خاطر
Ay, gutom ka na ba?
Yeah.
Okay, mamaya, later. Pagbalik ko nga. You know?
Later.
Later.
I give you money. You wait for me, okay?
Later on. No English.
No Arabic.
No Arabic din kami.
I give you Please.
Kukulit ng mga bata na to.
Please, one.
Later, we will be back, okay?
Chill.
Later on. No English. Okay. No Arabic also. Patas na tayo. Yan na naman to. Paninda ba to? Aday.
So may kasabay naman pala tayo. Akala ko tayo lang din talaga. May bus pa rin. Oh, bato galing dito. Ay! Ben, may papunta kami monastery. Hi.
Guys, nandito tayo sa
What's your name?
Mount Sinai. Yung
Give me $1.
pinuntahan ni Moses.
Kupas.
No Arabic too.
No Arab.
Guys, welcome to Mount Sinai. Welcome to Mount Sinai. Guys. Dilim.
Send ko sa'yo. And then if you'll stay away, maybe I'll call you in 30 minutes. Kasi we're about to go to the monastery. Okay. Sige, itatry ko ulit.
Ito kang akyatin na bundok. Okay.
Mangangamoy ang bus.
Sige, ma'am. Sige, nasa likod ako. Sige po, sige.
Mangangamoy ang bus. Pag naapakan natin. Mga
Sige, ma'am. Dahan lang.
Watch your steps, please. Let's move
Okay.
the door.
Okay. Pizza here. Pizza here.
Excuse me, would you like some fresh lemon with fresh mango or something like that?
Fresh juice. Lemon. Nasaan ka pupunta? Wala. Parang ganyan din yun, no? Parang mga coins nang na ganyan yun. Yung nandoon. Hindi paligyan o $250. Hindi na. Ha? Yung coins na yun. Tara na. Sakit tayo. Jingle bell and jingle bell ring. Hello guys, ito na yung ating the end of Egypt adventure travel.